Hello everybody. Today I'll be talking about the Samsung washer that we purchased about 4 years ago. Obviously, we purchased a 3-year warranty, which expired by the time we figured out about this issue. So the wife said the washer stopped working, decided to take it apart, and just as others have posted online, this flange assembly in the back, which is basically disintegrated. This axle deal that the motor spins just basically fell apart. And then the inside of the tub spins, just a bunch of junk all over. So I called the customer service, asked them if there's any recalls or any solutions. They said nope, no recalls. Made it sound like nobody's been complaining about this issue. So finally found the part on some parts website from Sears, and cost me about close to $100 to get this new flange assembly piece. I'll try to install it and see how it goes, but decided to share how junky Samsung is and poor customer service as far as trying to keep their customers satisfied, and noticing a bunch of these issues online. Well, Samsung for you.